the cinnamon.
Do it again.
I'm doing the cinnamon challenge.
Okay, go. Don't die. I'm just really scared for you.
Why do you have to zoom in on me?
Because I can't see you.
I'm scared.
Go. Go. Don't breathe in. Your hair's in the way.
Oh! I'm scared. I can't do it.
Go. Oh my god, that was so funny.